In this video, we will use our first Liquid objects. We want to display a product list like this one. How can we do that? By the way, this is all already set up in our starter theme. Let's go into Webflow and select the item of a collection. This is very simple to do. We just write li settings and then collection. For the value, I am choosing product list. In Shopify, we can see that it's now possible to choose the list. But you can also see that it shows the same content everywhere. This is happening because we have not defined where the content comes from. We can't use our normal settings attributes for that, because here the information comes from the Shopify CMS. To give you an example, you have a product, let's say a snowboard. This snowboard has different properties to it, like a product name, a price, or a vendor. This means the product is an object. Shopify has this database with all possible options. However, it's recommended to use our app. So we want to show the product title here. To do this, we need to find the fitting liquid property. Let's try it out. Open the app. We choose li object text. You could also just use li object. Because we want to reference a product here, we type product. We can see product.title in the list. This is exactly what we need. Set the attribute. We also want to show the product vendor. The correct liquid property for that would be product.vendor. Next one is price. In this case, product.price would be right. If we would leave it like that, then we would see the price in the incorrect format. We must tell Shopify that this value must be shown in our store currency. To do that, use Shopify filters. In this case, you add this pipe character followed by the word money. The last thing that we have left is the image. Images are controlled in the web via the source attribute. The correct attribute would be li object and then source. That is the key, and the value is product featured image. We also need to define the dimensions. In this case, we want to show the highest quality, so we use master. We can now convert again. If we look at our section now, you can see that all the different titles, prices and so on are there, and everything is working. Click here to continue with the next video.